So in this video we are going to get the tutorial of what you are going to see in this video, the image changer using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And if anybody want to tell me if there is an if there is an problem in the mic, so you can tell me and you can comment me below that what is problem coming in the voice. So now what I am going to do, I will create a new folder and write here image changer using JavaScript. The day 4 of doing work in 15 videos. Open the menu, open with the code. Now write your code. So the code will be what I am going to show you. Wait a second. Our VS Code, Visual Studio Code, that is VS Code has been opened. So what we will do, we will wait and first of all create here an index.html file, and then I will close the welcome page and starting write the doc type. The coding, first of all, the HTML is going to be HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And then I will write a word dot not. First of all, there will be input hash display. Wait a second. Display, and then enter it. Display, and then write the name. You can finish the name and then write the script, and then create a button. On click. Button on click. Wait. On click. In the on click there is going to be what? Function sub, and then there will be curly braces submit. Function sub if let sub equal to document dot get element by the ID. Sub if sub dot value equal to tree, so there will be an image. Create element image.src equal to the image src, and then document.body dot append child, that will be what? Image. Save it, go live. Open the Google. We will wait for the opening of Google. So here as you can see Google is opening. We will wait for 1 second. Right here the tree. I will wait for the starting and wait. Okay, so there we go. The page is here and the tree. Left click on it and copy image address. Come here. Paste the src. Save it. Come here. write here tree. Wait. I will write a word. Image.src if that is tree. Wait. If I do what? Finish it and write here the src now. That will be a little src we need. Like open the Wikipedia tree. Wait for it. Left click. Copy image address. Paste it. Save it. Tree. Wait. Image.src equal to. Okay. Open the inspect page. Okay, function sub. Okay. There will be Sue. And then refresh it right here, tree, and submit. Now what is the error coming? Wait, save it. This sub. If there is an A and A, save it, refresh it, go to the inspect. Wait, error is coming again. Value. Wait. Where so dot value equal to equal to if there is like A, save it, A, submit. Wait. If I write if I finish the value, wait, the error is coming here. So if I go like this, if Sue dot value equal to 3, directory cannot appear. Non-click is not defined. So if I come here and call what? Wait. What is happening here? What I will do it like this. Wait. Okay. There will be a starting of it. Save it. 3 and then submit. Wait. Okay, what we will do? We will add here. That will be not image, that will be a div, and image dot style dot height equal to 100 pixels, image dot style dot width equal to 100 pixels, not like 200, 200. And then the image dot style dot background image equal to URL, like this. Save it. If I submit the tree, wait, save it, the tree, wait. Okay, what is the problem coming here? We'll put it here and wait. The on click is not working. Okay. What we will do, we will write here on double click function A and write here an alert A. Okay, it's coming here. So if there is a tree, wait, tree, what I will do, I will write here, but like this. I will come here and do what? Document dot body dot append child. Child is going to be image, or like image. Save it. Tree. I will go to the inspect. Wait. Inner HTML equal to. If we do like this and write here inspect, and what I will do, wait, if I do what, show rules, not rulers, wait, I will write here what, come here, shortcut help, more tools, and write here what, that's coming here. So can we remove add device type? Okay, if I do double click on it by writing tree, double click, wait, error is coming now too. Not right here s dot inner HTML tree. Okay, we will write a display. That was there. Okay, if I write a tree, double click, wait, value, tree. So the image is not showing, but that's completed. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.